Chapter 1: The Power of Dark Motivation. Have you ever wondered how individuals overcome the aftermath of accidents and emerge stronger than before? It's a question that has puzzled many of us. How can someone transform a painful experience into a stepping stone towards personal growth? The key lies in a concept known as dark motivation. Dark motivation is about embracing the difficult, the challenging, and the painful, and using them as a catalyst for growth and change. It's about taking an experience that could potentially break us, and instead, using it to build us up, make us stronger and more resilient. When we talk about accidents, we're not just talking about physical trauma. We're talking about the emotional upheaval that comes with it. The shock, the confusion, the anger, the grief. These emotions can be overwhelming, and it's easy to feel stuck, to feel like nothing will ever be the same again. But here's the thing. These emotions, as dark as they may seem, can be powerful motivators. They can drive us to push through the pain, to fight for recovery, and to come out on the other side stronger than we were before. This is the essence of dark motivation. However, it's important to note that this isn't about glorifying accidents or risky behaviors. Far from it. It's about acknowledging the reality of these experiences and the profound impact they can have on us. It's about recognizing that, in the midst of the darkness, there is potential for growth and transformation. As we delve deeper, we'll discover how individuals have harnessed this dark motivation to overcome adversity and rebuild their lives. We'll hear stories of resilience and triumph, stories that inspire and empower. And hopefully, we'll gain a deeper understanding of the power that lies within us all. The power to overcome, to heal, and to emerge stronger than before. Chapter 2: Real Stories of Resilience and Recovery. Now, let's turn to real-life warriors who have faced adversity and emerged victorious. Life often throws us curveballs that we aren't prepared for. Accidents, in particular, can be a sudden and harsh blow, leaving us grappling with physical pain and emotional trauma. But within these stories of adversity, there's also hope, strength, and resilience. Take, for example, Julia. A car crash left her with a broken spine, but it did not break her spirit. She endured grueling months of physiotherapy, harnessing her dark motivation. The anger and frustration she felt, and channeled it into her recovery. Today, she's not just walking again, but running marathons. Then there's Marcus. He was an avid rock climber until a fall caused a severe brain injury. Marcus faced a long, arduous road to recovery. He had to relearn basic tasks we often take for granted, like talking and eating. But Marcus didn't just survive. He thrived. He used his dark motivation, his struggle, to fuel his journey back to the climbing wall. Today, he's back on the peaks, living his passion. And we can't forget about Ava. A factory accident left her with third-degree burns and a future full of uncertainty. But Ava's story is one of incredible resilience. She turned her pain, her dark motivation, into a beacon of hope and strength. Today, Ava works as a motivational speaker, inspiring others with her story of triumph over adversity. These are but a few examples of the indomitable human spirit. Each story, unique in its journey, shares a common thread: the ability to harness dark motivation, to use the pain and adversity as a catalyst for change and growth. Every scar is a testament to battles fought and won. Every step taken, every word spoken, every mountain climbed is a victory, a celebration of life and resilience. These stories of resilience serve as a testament to the power of the human spirit and the transformative potential of dark motivation. Chapter 3: The Road to Recovery. But how does one navigate the path to recovery after an accident? The journey often begins with acknowledging the need for professional medical help. It's paramount to seek appropriate care promptly, as early intervention can significantly influence the recovery process. Medical professionals offer a wealth of knowledge and expertise, providing not just treatment, but also guidance on how to best manage your condition and regain your strength. They're your allies in this journey, equipped with the tools and techniques to help you heal. Next comes the stage of rehabilitation. This is where the real work begins. Adhering to rehabilitation programs is crucial. Admittedly, it's not always easy. It's a commitment that demands time, effort, and patience. It's about showing up for physiotherapy sessions even when you're tired, doing those exercises that feel challenging, and pushing through, bit by bit, day by day. Because every small step you take in rehab is a step closer to recovery. In this process, it's vital to remember that physical healing is just one side of the coin. Emotional and psychological healing are equally important. Maintaining a positive mindset throughout the recovery process can be transformative. It's about understanding that it's okay to have bad days, but it's essential not to lose sight of the progress you're making. It's about celebrating every little victory, no matter how small. It's about being gentle with yourself, understanding that healing takes time, and that's perfectly okay. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek support from loved ones. Lean on them when the going gets tough. Their encouragement can be a powerful motivator on your journey to recovery. Use their strength to fuel your own. Remember, resilience is not about going it alone. It's about knowing when to ask for help and accepting it with grace. Your path to recovery is not a straight line. It's a winding road with ups and downs, twists and turns. But with every challenge you overcome, you grow stronger, more resilient. Remember, the journey to recovery is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a whole lot of courage. Chapter 4: Harnessing Dark Motivation. So, how do you tap into this dark motivation to aid your recovery? Well, it's like turning a key to start a car. The engine is there, it's powerful, it's ready, but it needs that spark. Dark motivation is that spark. It's not about wallowing in your pain or hardships, but rather, it's about acknowledging them, understanding them, and using them as fuel to drive your journey to recovery. First, let's talk about reframing negative experiences. This is a way of looking at your accident, not as a catastrophe, but as a catalyst for change. It's about transforming the narrative from, "Why did this happen to me?" to "How can I grow from this experience?" It's about turning the tables on adversity and using it as a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. Next, focus on personal growth. Use your accident as a starting point to explore new paths, to develop new skills, or to simply be a better version of you. Maybe you've always wanted to learn a new language or pick up a new hobby. Now's the time. Use your recovery journey as an opportunity for self-improvement. Lastly, celebrate small victories. Recovery is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be milestones along the way, and it's important to acknowledge them. Maybe you took your first steps without assistance, or maybe you managed to make your own breakfast. No victory is too small. Each one is a testament to your resilience and a step closer to your goal. Remember, harnessing dark motivation isn't about dwelling on the negatives. It's about using them as a catalyst for positive change. It's about finding that spark within the dark and using it to light your way towards recovery. Harnessing dark motivation is about finding the strength within adversity and using it to fuel your journey towards recovery. Chapter 5. A Community of Resilience. You're not alone in this journey. There's a whole community out there ready to support you. This is a truth worth embracing. In the face of adversity, there's a remarkable power in unity, in shared experiences, in the comforting knowledge that others have walked the path we're on and emerged stronger. Across the globe, there are countless individuals who have faced life-altering accidents and have navigated the rocky terrain of recovery. They've weathered storms of doubt, pain, and fear, and have emerged on the other side, not just surviving, but thriving. These individuals, these stories of resilience, form a community bound by shared experiences, by mutual understanding, and by a collective strength that is awe-inspiring. This community of resilience isn't just about shared struggles, it's about shared triumphs too. It's about the small victories, like the first step taken after a debilitating accident, or the first time managing to complete a daily task independently. These moments, these triumphs, they matter. They're celebrated because in this community, we understand their worth. We encourage you to engage with this community. Share your stories, your triumphs, your battles. Share your tips and strategies, your moments of darkness and your moments of light. Because in sharing, we strengthen not just ourselves, but those around us. We foster resilience, not just within us, but across this community. In this community, we understand that every journey is unique, every battle different. Yet, we also understand that there's a common thread that binds us, the pursuit of a healthier, more resilient life. We're in this together, learning from each other, supporting each other, celebrating each other. We're a community that turns adversity into an opportunity for growth, for resilience, for transformation. So, remember, you're not alone. You're part of a community that understands, that supports, that celebrates. A community of resilience. Together, we can turn adversity into a stepping stone towards a healthier, more resilient life.